So welcome back guys to my channel. I'm very grateful for receiving these many views that I have right now. So please keep supporting and me. Yeah. Okay, so today's video is all about how to get resources online for free for mainly and specifically for studying A levels and IGCSE. But I think you can use these prompts or tricks for any syllabus of that matter. It may be APs or matriculation in Indian board, American board, Spanish board, I don't know. Any board is fine. You can use these tricks and prompts in the online. So what are we waiting for? Let's get straight into it. So hi guys, so you can see my laptop screen I think. So there's just a blank search engine of the Google. So what you guys are going to do is simple things. First of all, you go to your search bar and then first let me do IGCSE, then let me come to A levels. So IGCSE, let's first see what the full form is. I think most people will know this. It's just International General Certificate of Secondary Education. So now if we want to get into like the website, then you just type IGCSE, you go into the Cambridge International Education Board System website. So if you go into that, you can choose your program and you just, yeah, it's already in IGCSE. So you can just go to the subjects where you can see a lot of subjects. I think it's like more than 500 or 600 subjects there in IGCSE. You can choose whichever you guys are going to take. So what I suggest is first you look into your school that you're going to join, or if you're already in the school, then maybe you can just search what all the subjects are there. And then after you have the list of subjects, first don't directly just assume this subject is this and it is what it is. No, what you guys are going to do is, I'll give you a tip. It's just a simple thing. You go to the subjects that you're most interested in and you click on that and you bring another tab up and then you just read some part of the syllabus. Just skim it through. Just skim through the syllabus. You will find something interesting. So that's how you're going to learn how you can skim something. So that will be very useful in your later education of English, where you need skimming practice for your comprehension. So yeah, that's how you guys choose the subjects for you. If you have a list of subjects, it's very good. When I studied in my school, there's like limited subjects, so it was easy for me to choose. But nowadays there are a lot of schools which has a lot of subjects and the list is very big. So I think it depends on the school. Okay, so next up would be, after you choose the subjects, you again go to the bar, type IGCSE, and let's say I'm choosing business. I type business and I type the code, which is 0264, and you tap notes. You get all these pages, websites, every single thing. So now if we go to this website, this is like the old version because it's 050, which is business studies. Now it has changed to 064. You can still use this, so don't be afraid of not using this source. It might also be a good resource. Even though it's old, it still might be good. So that's another thing guys. Another tip would be, check the date that this information has been and check your syllabus if this is in your syllabus, because I have had the experience where I studied something which wasn't in my syllabus and I wasted time. So it's better to take a printed copy of the syllabus that of the subject whichever you guys are taking, so it will be easier for you to go through and refer and be aware of what you're studying. If you just go with the flow in life, nothing will be useful, right? So just a little planning, so that will help you a lot in your education process. So after you find a website, a simple trick is to just make a bookmark. You see this icon, you just do this and you just put in a bookmark. You can name anything, notes for business, or just put base studies, or you can just put BUS and just put the code 264. Yeah, and then it's done. So guys, the next way to get like other information resources is to just type past papers after the prompt IGCC business 0264 past papers. I know this is like very simple, and you can even scold me of saying, am I a child of not knowing what past paper is and how I cannot research that on online? Are you stupid? You think we are stupid? I know you guys might be thinking that, and I'm sorry to say that I know you guys can easily find the resources of past papers, but there are some people, I have personal experience, there are people who don't know how to even research past papers. So that's why just type IGCC business 0264 and past papers. And let me tell you, even though this page has a lot of ads, this gives you the most updated version of all the past papers first hand, and you can just download it. So this is the past paper for March 2024. So the GT is called Great Thresholds. We'll come to that later in another video. So M24 insert. IN is called insert. 22 is the code of a paper, and M24 MS means marking scheme. And MS, again, this is this code and this is this paper. And question paper. QP is called question paper, and QP is again a question paper. These two are question papers. These are answer sheet, and only for 2 there's an insert. So that's how you get your mark your past papers. You can either download it, and if you don't want download space or you don't want storage, you can just view it online. Everything is easy. So that's how we do for your past paper research. So guys, I think I have covered the most thing about IGCC. If you think about A levels, it's the same thing. It's literally the same process. Whereas in A levels, there is both AS level and A levels. So basically, a simple way to say is AS level is your 11th grade or just the first year of what you're studying. A levels is a second year where you have another syllabus. So basically, you can either do AS and A level in after studying 2 years in the end of the second year or something, or else you could do your AS level first year and the second year you can do your A level. That's how it is. So A level syllabus is separate and AS level syllabus is separate. So you just need to search specifically for AS level and A level of your choice. So now I'm going to just search for AS level. So let me just put AS level. It's called pure math, and then I put enter. I get this. And another important thing is for STEM students, or maybe like STEM is like college word, sorry. Maybe for the science students, this physics and math tutor website is amazing resource. Literally, I'm telling you guys, it's just one of the best resources I've ever seen. But again, for that you need deep research. Like if you just go to this and if you just search for what is this, man, I can't see any notes and why is this guy even saying it's good, you can just go to the A level thing and then wait a second, A level, and this is just the papers, I think. Wait a second. Yeah, so if you go to this A level, you can see papers and revision. So if I put math revision, then I get all these workbooks, I get topic by worksheets and all the stuff. So if I go to algebra, I get separate worksheets to do for myself. If I put laws of indices, okay, wait, this is solution. So let me just put yeah, laws of indices. Then I get these worksheet. See, I get these worksheet. I can easily practice them. So that's the benefit of online, guys. Literally, I'm telling you, A levels are actually much harder, but I think they have upgraded a bit, and now there's a lot of new resources, and you can actually use them. So you can just copy everything that you did for A levels, AS level, and IGCC. Just the prompts matter. So okay guys, I think you guys might have seen the picture of how to do research. And again, let me again clarify this. I know there are people who already know about how to get past papers, notes, and all the other resources. It's a very easy process, I know it. But let me tell you from my experience, there are few people who don't know even this, and we should not be blaming them. We should be blaming the teachers, or we should be blaming
why they haven't known this for a long time. So I don't want to leave any of my audiences and to just keep them blank. So that's why I'm being this tedious about explaining simple resources in each of my videos. And so now let me get into the main fish, main shark, main thing, main idea. So basically, what you guys need to know to get the best help possible is to go to Discord. First and foremost, just go to Discord. First, get a login id, get registered to Discord. Then after that, go to Znotes. First and foremost, go to Znotes, then go to the Discord channel, join the Discord channel, click on all the things that you are already, click on the subject that you are in. There will be a lot of similar people who are doing IGCSE, AS level, A level, IB. So a lot of education platform, education syllabus will be there, and channels will be open for it, and a lot of people will be there to help you. You can also help them, you can also gain help. It's just give and take, and it's just a super amazing process. I was so glad that I got this information from a friend online, and I was only able to get this Discord channel when I was in A levels, AS level and A level. I didn't know this when I was in IGCC. To be honest, compared to A levels, IGCC has a lot and lot of information that people share in channels. So I think you guys will really get the help from these Discord channels. So that's a big tip, guys. If you want to share this video to any of your friends, please do, because this Discord thing is like not a simple thing. I know you can even give it like a word to word conversation with your friends. That's also fine. I don't want views, I just want people to learn. Simple thing. So that's the main idea, guys. So let me catch you with another video.